Hi, my name is Dick Hirsch. I'm an SAP mentor, and today I'm going to be talking about two SAP on-demand edge platforms. I'm going to be talking about River and Streamwork, and I'm going to be comparing them, comparing the functionality in one particular aspect. So let's get started. So first of all, River. It's a new platform, development platform for lightweight applications, and you can use data from backends. For example, Salesforce, you can push this into River, manipulate it, and then you push this information out to a client's desktop client, for example, web client. And what's interesting here is that this whole interaction is REST-based. And if you look at the line here, I'm doing this on purpose here because what I wanted to show is I wanted to show that it was an aggregation of the two, in this case Salesforce and another backend data. You bring the information together, you aggregate it, and then you push it out. But let's say we have an SAP on-premise environment. We want to bring this into River. Well, you can either cook your own REST-based API to do this, or you could use Project Gateway. And then once you've done this, you could perhaps link this into the SAP Unwired platform or the Sybase Unwired platform and push this out to a mobile client. And the thing here is that you're aggregating these data that are REST-based. Okay, that's one of the key things about River is that this ability to use this data efficiently and do it rapidly, rapid development environment. Now, some of you might be saying, okay, why don't I use, if I'm talking about the mobile environment, why don't I use Gateway directly? Well, the advantages is that first of all, if you have stuff like Salesforce and other on-demand data sources, it might not be the best choice to bring this information into Gateway, which is more has an internal focus, would be behind the DMZ. Um, River would probably be the more appropriate place to put this information into if you want to aggregate it with other sources. So we're calling this pattern here, and I'm calling this the aggregated REST interfaces pattern. Now let's take a look at Streamwork. This is another on-demand edge environment dealing with what they call it, collaborative decision making. And here you have the same thing. You have information coming in from back ends, and here we have back end, could be on demand, could be also something else in the cloud, SAP on-premise. There's been enough prototypes showing that this works. And of course, Streamwork creates activities on its own, and these are also taken account in Streamwork. And then this information is pushed out to mobile clients. And what is interesting here is that, okay, Streamwork does have a REST API, but for me, the real unique selling factor is the ability for Streamwork to aggregate activity streams. And that's why the one thing I said here is that this information going at it is activity streams based. And for me, activity stream isn't just what an individual does in Streamwork, for example. It also could be information that's coming from the back end as well. And in this case, what happens is that Streamwork aggregates these activity streams, adds logic to it, and pushes it out. So you have really two complementary functionality that River offers and Streamwork. The one focuses more on the REST interfaces, and the other, in my opinion, should focus more on the activity streams. That's it. Thanks.